Firebirds! In math, we've been talking about 2D and 3D shapes. So, what we have are, we have our circle, that's round all the way around. We have rectangles, which have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. We have a square, which is 4 sides all the same. And we also have a hexagon, which has 6 sides and 6 vertices. I started by having a piece of cheese, and it was a perfect circle, but Darth Wiggles tried to eat it, so it's kind of messed up now. Do you want it? And I also have another square. It's a plastic bag. Because there are shapes all around your houses. There's shapes all around my house, too. So, for 3D shapes, we have the one that looks like a ball. That one was called a sphere. We have this little dice. We have a die. And it's a cube. Remember, cubes have 6 square faces and 8 vertices. I have a cylinder. Remember, a cylinder is round all around and has a flat circle face on one side and a flat circle face on the other. And I have another sphere, a little tiny tomato. Okay, so what we're doing today is we're trying to figure out how to group them. So we're going to make 2 groups. We're going to make a group of 3D shapes and a group of 2D shapes. So what your job is you have to figure out how you know if it's a 3D shape or a 2D shape. The easiest way to do it is the clap test. So what you do is you pick up your shape. I'll pick up the cheese. You pick up your shape and you put it in your hand. If you can clap and your hands touch, just like this, and you hear the clapping sound, that's how you know it's flat and it's a 2D shape. So our cheese is a 2D shape. Let's try picking up the business card. So I'm putting my business card in my hand and I'm clapping. Do you hear the sound? So if you hear the sound, we know that it's a 2D shape. Okay, I'm going to pick up the ace bandage. So if I put the ace bandage in my hand like this, when I clap, do my hands touch to make the sound? They don't. So that's how I know this is a 3D shape, because even if I move it like this, my hands aren't ever going to quite touch, so I can't clap it. So we know this must be a 3D shape. I have my tiny tomato. Now, where do you think my tiny tomato goes? It's all the way around. Do we think it goes with my 2D shapes or with my 3D shapes? I'm going to put it in my hand. I'm going to clap. Ah! I smashed it! So now I have a flat shape. But before, when it was still whole, it was a 3D shape because it was round all around. It didn't have any sides, edges, or faces, but it was, here's another one, it was totally round. And now it's not. Now it's a flat circle. So now what you're going to do is you're going to find objects in your house and you're going to try to do the clapping test, because you need to figure out which objects are 3D shapes and which objects are 2D shapes.